Do you know this, that, these or those how to say in French? Bonjour à tous, bienvenue sur Coucou French Corner. Hello everyone and welcome back to Coucou French Corner. Today we are going to learn together l'adjectif démonstratif. So let's learn together. So what is demonstrative adjective? Demonstrative adjective is used to point at noun. For example, this marker, this whiteboard or that tree. But in French, there are four types of demonstrative adjective. Ce, cet, say. In French, demonstrative adjective agrees with the nouns, genders and numbers. I mean to say, you need to know whether the noun is masculine, feminine, singular, plural, or does it begin with vowel or H silent. There are four types of demonstrative adjective in French: ce, cet, say, and ce. Let's start with ce. Ce is used for masculine singular noun. When the noun is masculine, we use ce. For example, ce livre. Here livre is singular and masculine, so we use ce livre. This book. Here ce garçon. Garçon means boy and it is masculine and singular, so we use ce garçon. Next, cet. So cet we use for masculine singular nouns and when the noun starts with vowel or H silent H. So for an example, cet here you can see here H is silent. We pronounce so we use cet Next, cet ami. The word start with vowel, we use cet. So it is used for masculine singular noun and the word start with vowel and silent H. Next, set. Both are pronounced same. Set. Set is used for feminine singular noun. When the noun is feminine and singular, we use set. For example, cette maison. Here, maison is feminine and singular, so we use set. Next, cette voiture. Voiture is feminine and singular, so we use set. Next, say. Say is used for plural nouns, both masculine and feminine. Whether the noun is masculine or feminine, we use, when it is plural, we use say. For example, here you can see as say livre. It is plural, so say. We use say. Say pomme. Here also you can see as it is plural, so we use say pomme. Now let's do the quick reminder of demonstrative adjective. Ce is used for masculine singular. When the noun is masculine singular, we use ce. Cet is used for masculine singular and when the noun starts with ce is used for masculine singular and the noun starts with vowel or silent H. So set when we use when the noun is masculine singular and starts with vowel or H silent. Set is used for feminine singular and say is used for plural, whether it is masculine or feminine. When the noun is in numbers, we use say. Okay, so let's do the first example. Livre est très intéressant. Here the livre is masculine and singular. So which demonstrative adjective come? Ce. For masculine singular. Ce livre est très intéressant, which means this book is very interesting. Next, Maison est ancien. Maison est ancien. So first see, the noun is feminine, la maison, toujours la maison, and singular. Sept, for feminine, singular. Sept. Next, étudiant arrive aujourd'hui. Étudiant, we can see plural as. So étudiant arrive aujourd'hui. And for plural, which demonstrative adjective come? C'est. C'est étudiant arrive aujourd'hui, which means these students are arriving today. These students are arriving today. Next, enfant est très intelligent. See, the word start with vowel and it is masculine. So sept. Cet enfant est très intelligent means this child is very intelligent. Next, hôtel est très confortable. Hôtel. So here H is silent and it is masculine. So we put it sept. When the noun starts with vowel and H is silent, we use sept. Cet hôtel est très confortable. This hotel is very comfortable. Et voilà, c'est fini. If you have any query about this lesson, please write down in comment. And if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Au revoir, à bientôt.